What's the meaning of biorhythm? Biorhythm. Biorhythm.
Biorhythm. Biorhythm. Biorhythm is a theory that suggests that there are three different cycles that dictate our physical, emotional, and intellectual states. These cycles are commonly referred to as the physical cycle, the emotional cycle, and the intellectual cycle. The physical cycle lasts 23 days and is said to affect our physical well-being, including our energy levels and overall health. The emotional cycle lasts 28 days and impacts how we feel emotionally, including our mood and emotions. Lastly, the intellectual cycle lasts 33 days and affects our mental state, including our ability to learn and think critically. While the scientific validity of biorhythms is still debated, some people believe in using them to plan their lives and make important decisions.